Aqara Prime Day 2025 sale. Save up to 34% on smart locks, hubs, and sensors. Prime Day 2025 is lighting up smart homes everywhere, and Aqara is stealing the spotlight. From secure smart locks to advanced hubs, this sale brings discounts of up to 34% off top-rated devices. Aqara's Smart Lock U100 redefines entry-level security, complete with fingerprint access, Apple Home Key, and auto lock functionality. Now, just $124.99, it's one of the most affordable Matter-ready smart locks available. Built for both indoor and outdoor use, the U300 features fingerprint, keypad, and NFC unlock capabilities. With IPX5 weather resistance and Matter compatibility, it's a durable favorite, now $60 off this Prime Day. The Camera Hub G5 Pro is more than a hub. It's a 2K security camera and Matter bridge in one sleek unit. With person detection and two-way talk, it's $129.99 this week. Aqara's Doorbell Hub GA410 brings crystal clear 1080p video, HomeKit secure video support, and smart facial alerts. Combining doorbell and hub functions, it's now one of Aqara's lowest ever prices. The FP2 uses millimeter wave radar to detect even subtle movement. With multi-zone tracking and Matter support, it enables advanced automations, and at 34% off, it's the ultimate smart home upgrade. At the heart of every Aqara home is the Hub M3, a Matter-ready powerhouse controlling Zigbee, Thread, and Wi-Fi devices. Under $100, it's the brain of your connected home. Aqara's entire lineup works seamlessly with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple Home. Each hub acts as a central bridge, unifying Zigbee, Thread, and Wi-Fi devices for smooth automation and reliable connectivity. If you're just starting, begin with the Hub M3 and a smart lock. For deeper automation, add the FP2 sensor or G5 Pro camera to boost security and energy efficiency. All Aqara Prime Day deals are live on Amazon from October 7th through 12th. Prime membership required, so grab these limited time offers before they disappear.
Go to GearBrain for more information.